Okay. So, this is exciting. I don't even know how to start, but we're going to start. So, a few months back, a friend of mine who works at Case Knives asked me if I would be interested in writing articles for Case for wood carving. And yes, absolutely, I'd love to do that. So this is a partnership. And what's going to happen is I'm going to write wood carving articles demonstrating different carvings, and there's going to be a corresponding video here on the channel. Crack this open. And no, it has not been opened yet. I've been eagerly awaiting the arrival of this box. What's in here are the tools that I need to do the job, and oh, a little bit more on top of that. Okay. Oh goodness. Well, let's remove these and then look through this. Okay, sliding everything off to the side, freeing up room on the bench. Starting off with this awesome t-shirt. Sweet. What is that? That's a bottle opener. Oh. That's a sheath for your knife. I mean, okay, I know knives have sheaths, but this is for a pocket knife. I've not seen something like that before, so yeah, I was a little bit confused. But wow, okay. Whitland wood. Well, that works. Now, anytime that the video is going to be one corresponding to an article for Case, it's going to be noted for multiple reasons. One, I want it to be noted when I'm using their products for legal reasons, but also because, well, they are awesome products to be using. Now, what you have here, this is a guide that helps you to actually date a Case knife to determine when it was made, and it gives you facts about them. I've carried one in my wallet for over 10 years. A face cover. Actually more useful in this shop than I can say. Stickers. Okay. Nice. Measure twice, cut once. Sharp hands, thick skins. 1889, that's when the company started. That is a sharpener. That is exactly what that is. Nice. Okay. Travel ready sharpener. And I don't want to mess it up no sooner than I've opened it. Okay. You just pull through. That is super interesting. So it just sits on your belt. Okay. Do we turn? I know what we're looking at. I know what we are looking at. It's a sharpening station with fine stones, and I bet if we flip it the other way, we have coarse, and they're diamond. Okay, that's beyond cool. And it's all self-contained. It's all self-contained. That's awesome. No impact, no idea. Let's see here. Just a key ring. Just. Yeah, I don't know what this one is. I'm assuming it's a key ring. Am I just stupid? And this is more along the lines of what I think of when I think of a leather sheath for a pocket knife. More traditional like this. And that's an awesome little sheath as well. See what we're going to be working with when we start doing our carvings. By the way, found out it's a key ring. Oh, okay. I've decided this is just too nice to not demonstrate with at some point, so stay tuned. At some point there will be a video showing you how to properly sharpen a knife using these stones. All right. Let's see here. Very nice. What are we looking at? This is a copperhead, that's it. This is a mini copperhead. Two blades. Stainless steel. Oh. Very nice. Okay, now we're looking at, let's see, a mini trapper. Like that blade style. It's a Warncliffe, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so got a mini copperhead, a mini trapper. There we are. Two blades. This is a half whittler. Very nice half whittler. That's a seahorse whittler. One beast of a blade. Two smaller blades. I'm gonna close this before I open that one. How about that? No complaints at all. Stockman. Very nice. I know that's what I keep saying, but what else can you say? It's a case. stock, but this one looks to have a synthetic. Still just as pretty. Yes, sir. I think we can get a lot done with this one as well. Oh, so anytime I post a video carving with the case knives, those will be noted in the thumbnail, and throughout the video I'll also be quick to tell you. And if it's a case knife that I've previously purchased, I will let you know that as well, because I also have a collection of case knives from just years of carving, and as gifts I have my grandfather's case knife that was his dedicated squirrel skinner. That's a trapper that, well, let's go ahead. Let me unwrap all of these. So we can see this is what Case has provided as tools to demonstrate with. I think we'll have a lot of fun with all of these. And I've also collected a few of my own through the years. I do want to thank Case for this opportunity. Something that I really, really look forward to doing. Hopefully, you'll check those videos out when they upload. Again, there will be a corresponding article on the Case website, so there will be links back and forth. If you prefer a PDF format that you could print off and look at and read, then you'll have that as an option. Or if you want a step-by-step tutorial, you can come to the channel and there will be a video showing that. Either way, I hope that the articles prove useful to you, and it's something that helps you in the process of becoming a better carver, or if you're just starting out, just gaining a love for carving. With that being said, thank you for your time, and take good care.